Hello guys, as I told you in the morning, I have showed you a technique in day trading, and today one of my students have done this and it's working, and I will show you right now how it works. Okay, now there are a lot of people, they bought Twitter yesterday at 27.54. It means for the gap up or gap down. So it is something that it is very difficult to know if it is a gap up or gap down. But when you need to trade like a day trading, it's more of techniques, and even if you lose, you will not lose that much. But if you make money, you can make money. So forget about yesterday, which is Wednesday, when we have the earning news after the market close. The stock was $27.54. Okay, and then let's say here, and then so this is the price here. Now in the morning we have a gap up. Now the gap up starts at the morning at the open. Okay, if you see here the open, it was $31.35. Now what did I tell you in the video just in the morning? So what did I tell you is, when there is the open, you should wait. Okay, so the stock has been going up and down, so there is nothing to be done. But at the 10 minutes after, it means from 9:30 to 9:40, at 40 the thing begin. So it begins from the open, which is 31.35, and then it goes up. It continues to go up until it reaches this price, which is 33.67. So when it was going up, it goes down again, and then it stops here at $30.93. It goes up again, and this is the buy here, okay, at 31.35. Now from there, 31.35, you can sell at any price, because you will never know where it goes. So you can sell at 32 or 32.50 or 33, because it continues to go up, and the more you stay, the more you make money. But at 33.67, this is the resistance line. It stops going up. So here 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 40 minutes. 40 minutes is where you do the trade here at Twitter. But later, the stock, as you can see, it has been going down until it reaches the new low of the day again and again. Okay, so one of my students have done this in the morning, and he made some money from the day trading. This is a very simple technique that you can use with any stock. It's not just with a gap up, or gap down. It's the matter of the market. It's very hard to predict a gap up or gap down. Okay, but since you are in a trade, if you want to stay, this is a major risk. Either you make a gap up, you make money, or you have a gap down and you lose money. But what I'm talking about today is just a technique that works, and you can use it in any stock. Okay, so the main thing is just you try to look at the stock at the beginning, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and see what's going with this stock. Understand that here I use, as you can see here, I used 10 minutes. Now you can use whatever you like. You can use, for example, 5 minutes, or you can use whatever price that you like. For me, I like 5 minutes. I like 10 minutes. This is what I like. I don't like bigger time frame, because it will be very hard. okay, to trade. If you put it like 1 minute, it's very hard also, because this is more so for scalping than for trading. Okay, so thank you very much. Please, if you have more questions, please ask. Understand that this technique, you should practice a lot in stocks in order to get acquainted with this technique. In order to use it perfectly, you should try it many times in many stocks, and then when you know how to use it, you can make a lot of money from it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.